select Shopify. Copy and paste the public domain. Go to Shopify Settings, then Domains. Copy and paste the store domain. Click on Continue. Go to Shopify, then Apps, and then Develop Apps. Click on Build Apps in Dev Dashboard, then click on Create App. Enter app name LinkBoss and click on Create. Copy and paste app URL. Untick Embed App checkbox. Copy-paste scopes. Now copy and paste redirect URLs. Click on Release both times. Click on Settings from left menu. Now click on Continue. Copy and paste the client ID. Then copy and paste the client secret. Click on Install both times. Click on Create Project. Mark Sync All, then click on Sync. Click on Go to Project. Check Site Report tool to confirm if the data is processing properly, and that's it. Integration done.